What if we told you World War II involved exploding rats, ghost armies, and Nazi plots in Antarctica? Behind the famous battles lies a world of secrets, oddities, and unbelievable truths rarely taught in school. World War II shaped our modern world, but beyond the politics and battles are bizarre and overlooked facts that sound more like movie plots than reality. From espionage oddities to battlefield insanity, these 50 crazy facts will make you rethink everything you know about the war. Let's dive into the madness. 1. Exploding rats used by the British. British special operations stuffed dead rats with explosives, planning to place them near German boilers. The idea? Germans would throw the rats into the fire, causing deadly detonations. Though the plan never launched widely, it terrified the Nazis and triggered massive resource-draining investigations. 2. The Ghost Army of Inflatable Tanks. The U.S. deployed a ghost army of artists and sound engineers who used inflatable tanks, sound effects, and fake radio transmissions to deceive German forces. They created illusions of massive armies where none existed, turning war into an art form. 3. Hitler's nephew fought for the U.S. Navy. William Patrick Hitler, Adolf Hitler's British-American nephew, turned against his uncle and enlisted in the U.S. Navy in 1944. He later changed his name and lived quietly in the U.S., hiding his infamous connection for decades. 4. Nazi cocaine chewing gum. Nazi scientists gave their soldiers Pervitin, a methamphetamine-laced stimulant, sometimes delivered in gum form. Troops could march for days without rest. The drug turned many into fearless yet unstable fighters, and some historians believe it helped power blitzkrieg tactics. 5. Japan bombed the U.S. mainland with balloons. Japan launched over 9,000 balloon bombs intended to ride the jet stream and ignite U.S. forest fires. One even killed 6 civilians in Oregon, making it the only World War II deaths on the U.S. mainland caused by enemy action. 6. Churchill had a secret speech about aliens. Winston Churchill once halted the release of a UFO sighting report by Royal Air Force pilots, fearing mass panic. He even ordered the incident classified for 50 years. Historians uncovered the memo decades later, sparking wild theories about wartime alien encounters. 7. Nazi scientists planned a space mirror. German scientists devised a plan to launch a giant mirror into space to focus sunlight and burn enemy cities. Though it never progressed past theory, the plan reflected Nazi ambition to weaponize even the cosmos. 8. Soviet dogs were trained to blow up tanks. The Soviets trained dogs to carry explosives under enemy tanks. Tragically, dogs often ran back to their handlers, leading to unintended Soviet casualties. The program saw limited success and raised ethical alarms, even in wartime. 9. Operation Mincemeat fooled Hitler with a corpse. British intelligence used a drowned corpse dressed as a fake officer carrying false invasion plans. The body washed ashore in Spain, and the documents convinced Hitler to divert troops, helping ensure Allied success in Sicily. 10. The Nazis built a giant sun gun. Inspired by science fiction, Nazi engineers conceptualized a sun gun satellite, a giant orbital weapon using mirrors to burn Earth targets. Though never built, the idea was taken seriously by U.S. intelligence after the war. 11. A U.S. pilot shot down by a toilet bomb. In 1944, a malfunction caused a jettisoned emergency toilet, used as a prank, on a U.S. bomber to accidentally fall on and destroy another American plane midair. It became one of the strangest aerial kills of World War II. 12. Adolf Hitler was Time magazine's Man of the Year. In 1938, before World War II erupted, Time magazine controversially named Hitler Man of the Year. The title wasn't an honor, but recognition of influence. Still, the choice remains one of the most criticized media decisions ever. 13. German soldiers tripped on LSD in secret tests. Nazi scientists experimented with LSD and other psychoactive substances on prisoners and sometimes their own troops, hoping to unlock superhuman potential or truth serum powers. The results were chaotic, often causing hallucinations and breakdowns. 14. Allied forces used fake props to trick spies. To deceive Axis spies, the Allies built fake landing craft from wood, rubber tanks, and even cardboard soldiers. These decoys misled enemy reconnaissance, helping cover D-Day's true location and force size. 15. Hitler planned to turn Moscow into a lake. Nazi Germany's plan for Moscow wasn't just occupation, it included a proposal to destroy the city's infrastructure and flood it using dams, turning it into an artificial lake. The plan was never executed. 16. British intelligence used Monopoly games to hide escape tools. Special Monopoly sets were smuggled into German POW camps containing hidden tools like maps, compasses, and real money. These games, sent as care packages, helped hundreds of prisoners escape. 17. The Nazis tried to kill Churchill with exploding chocolate. German agents designed chocolate bars laced with hidden explosives, meant to detonate once a piece was broken off. The plan targeted Winston Churchill, but British intelligence foiled it before any chocolate reached him. 18. Mussolini was rescued by glider troops. German paratroopers launched a daring mission in 1943, landing gliders near Mussolini's mountain prison and rescuing him without firing a shot. The operation stunned the world and revitalized Axis propaganda. 19. The Soviets built fake towns to train spies. The USSR built entire fake Western towns, complete with American-style diners and stores, to train Soviet spies in American culture and speech. Agents lived in these simulations before infiltration missions. 20. A pilot survived free-falling without a parachute. RAF Airman Nicholas Alcamaid fell 18,000 feet from a burning plane without a parachute, and survived. Landing in pine trees and deep snow broke his fall. He was captured, but the Germans were so amazed they gave him a certificate. 21. Nazi scientists built a wind cannon. Germany developed a bizarre wind cannon designed to use compressed air to knock down enemy aircraft. It worked in theory but proved useless in practice. Still, the weapon showcased the strange extremes of Nazi innovation. 22. Hitler feared dentist chairs. Adolf Hitler had an extreme phobia of dentists. He avoided them whenever possible and suffered from severe dental issues. His personal dentist reported his mouth as a battlefield of decayed teeth. 23. The U.S. trained bats to carry bombs. The American military experimented with strapping incendiary devices to bats, releasing them over Japanese cities to nest in wooden structures and ignite fires. The project was real but eventually scrapped. 24. A German general defected with an entire unit. In 1943, German General Alfred Schlemm surrendered with hundreds of his troops to the Allies, believing Nazi defeat was inevitable. His defection shocked both sides and accelerated doubts within German ranks. 25. Hitler's werewolf bunker had a bar and cinema. Deep in Ukraine, Hitler's secret werewolf bunker complex included a cinema, bar, and swimming pool. Despite war raging outside, Nazi elites enjoyed relative luxury underground, until the Soviets destroyed it post-war. 26. Nazi U-boats had ice cream machines. To boost morale on long missions, some German U-boats were equipped with ice cream machines. These rare luxuries helped sailors cope with the isolation and stress of submarine warfare. 27. A spy was smuggled in a body bag. To infiltrate Vichy France, British intelligence once smuggled a spy inside a body bag aboard a Red Cross ship. The daring ploy worked flawlessly, and the spy went on to lead sabotage missions. 28. German tanks had teacup holders. Some German panzer tanks had built-in holders for teacups. Even during brutal combat, soldiers clung to traditions like afternoon tea, blending civility with chaos on the battlefield. 29. The U.S. built a fake destroyer from wood. To fool Japanese spotters, the U.S. Navy constructed full-scale fake destroyers from wood and canvas. These decoys floated offshore and diverted enemy attention away from real vessels. 30. German soldiers were trained with virtual reality. Using mechanical panoramas and light projection systems, the Germans simulated battlefield conditions, an early version of virtual reality. These training rigs mimic terrain, explosions, and enemy movement for realism. 31. Churchill traveled with a fake toilet. Winston Churchill's private train car included a disguised toilet that doubled as a secure telephone line. He used it to communicate with Allied leaders while avoiding German codebreakers and surveillance. 32. The U.S. tried to dye Hitler's mustache. American psychological warfare experts planned to sneak chemicals into Hitler's personal care items to make his iconic mustache turn bright green. The aim, to embarrass and discredit him on the world stage. 33. British planes used music to terrify Germans. During nighttime bombing raids, British aircraft broadcast eerie music and ghostly wails over German lines. The psychological tactic aimed to unsettle enemy troops before bombs dropped. 34. The Nazis tried to train spies as mimes. Hoping to blend agents into Allied cities, Nazi intelligence explored using mime techniques for stealth and disguise. Recruits practiced silent movement and facial expressions to avoid detection. 35. A soldier played dead for a week to escape. A British POW played dead in a pile of corpses for 7 days before crawling out to freedom. He drank rainwater and avoided dogs during the ordeal, eventually reaching Allied lines. 36. The Japanese built submarine aircraft carriers. Japan developed massive submarines capable of launching aircraft. The I-400 class subs could travel around the world and carry bombers inside watertight hangars. They planned attacks on the Panama Canal, but the war ended first. 37. A general was killed by his own airstrike. In Italy, U.S. General Leslie McNair was accidentally killed during a friendly fire bombing by his own aircraft during Operation Cobra. His death was one of the war's highest-profile friendly fire incidents. 38. Nazi officers wore perfume to fool dogs. Some Nazi officials attempting to flee after the war disguised themselves using women's perfume, hoping to throw off sniffer dogs and border patrols. The odd tactic occasionally worked. 39. The U.S. had a top-secret brothel. The Office of Strategic Services, OSS, ran a brothel in Germany to spy on Nazi officers. Prostitutes were trained in espionage and recorded sensitive information during pillow talk. 40. Hitler's doctor injected him with bull semen. To boost Hitler's libido and vitality, his personal doctor, Theodor Morell, injected him with a hormone formula that allegedly included bull semen. The bizarre treatment was one of many strange therapies used on him. 41. The Nazis tried to make zombie soldiers. In desperate final months, Nazi scientists experimented with chemical cocktails to create soldiers who didn't need sleep or food. These undead fighters were intended for prolonged combat but instead caused psychosis and death. 42. Churchill ordered beer for troops on D-Day. Before D-Day, Churchill ordered British breweries to produce massive beer shipments for the landing troops. Some Spitfires were modified to carry kegs instead of bombs, ensuring morale stayed high. 43. A spy escaped the Nazis using a spoon. British spy Brian Stonehouse used a sharpened spoon to pick a lock and escape Nazi captivity. The small tool, smuggled in his boot, became legendary in intelligence circles. 44. Hitler's food taster survived 800 meals. Margot Wolk, one of Hitler's 15 food tasters, survived over 800 meals fearing every bite could be her last. Poison testing was routine, and she later revealed her story after decades of silence. 45. U.S. warships had ice cream factories. The U.S. Navy built a floating ice cream barge in the Pacific during World War II. Capable of producing 10 gallons per minute, it delivered frozen treats to boost morale on the front lines. 46. Soviet soldiers rode into battle on moose. The Soviet Union briefly experimented with using moose as cavalry mounts in the Arctic, hoping their ability to traverse snow would help surprise German forces. The idea failed, moose were too unpredictable and often fled gunfire. 47. Germany printed fake British money. The Nazis forged millions in fake British banknotes in Operation Bernhard, aiming to crash the British economy. Some fake currency still circulates today, occasionally confusing collectors and banks. 48. Japan had a death ray program. Japanese scientists attempted to develop a death ray using microwaves to fry enemy pilots and electronics. The project failed, but U.S. intelligence took the idea seriously post-war. 49. A dog was officially enlisted in the army. Smokey, a 4-pound Yorkshire Terrier, served in the Pacific with U.S. troops. She ran telegraph wires through pipes, parachuted in a backpack, and became a decorated war dog. 50. A Nazi commander was foiled by a seagull. During the D-Day landings, German General Erwin Rommel was away celebrating his wife's birthday. A seagull hit his car windshield on return, delaying his arrival, and possibly helping ensure Allied success. World War II wasn't just bloodshed and battles, it was exploding rats, moose cavalry, zombie experiments, and seagull sabotage. These 50 crazy facts reveal a hidden, surreal side of the war. Beyond strategy and sacrifice lies a bizarre reality stranger than fiction, one that still echoes through time. If you thought war was all about generals and guns, think again. History is full of madness, creativity, and strange truths buried beneath the headlines. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories that history forgot. What World War II fact blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. See you in the next video.